Yan, kape muna tayo. Dapat muna kita dyan. Gabal ka, hanap ko lang sa gabal ka. Ito pala. Hello. Iluluto ko ng lechon paksiw. Yan. Kape muna tayo. Malamig ang panahon dito. Maulan-ulan kaya luto muna ang lola ha. Okay lang ba? Mamaya pag wala ng ulan, gagarden na naman ang lola. Ganito na ang life. Shall we start? Gaya tayo ng sibuyas at saka bawang at saka luya. Yan lang yung importante sa yan lang yung importante sa pagluluto. Kidoki. Ayan. Sige po. Babay muna. Hello. I changed my mind to have lechon paksiw today because I don't have mang tomas sauce. So I have only Asian kitchen black bean sauce. So I'm gonna have a pork and black bean sauce. Meron tayong luya, bawang at saka sibuyas. Tapos yan. Tapos mga spices later. Okay, see you later. Hello. Ito, nagluluto ako ng paksiw na salmon at saka minix ko ng tuna. Tapos ilo, luto-luto. Luto ng baka, guys. Tapos luto ako ng lechon paksiw. Trip ko lang magluto, guys. Trip ko lang magluto. Tapos kalat at kusina. Ito, may smoked salmon naman. Para kay Tristan mamaya. Yan gusto niya. Sabi niya, isipin. Okay, see you later. Tingnan natin ang finished product nito. Masarap. Okay, bye. Ito, luluto na naman ng lola. Luluto ako ng lechon paksiw. Tapos, ito kalat. Luluto ako ng buto-buto ng baka dyan. Kasi namamis ko yan. Tapos, lechon. Kunting dahon. Okay, see you later. Bye. Ito naman, sirloin steak. Minarinate ko lang siya. Ready to cook na to. Pagka dumating ang aking mga nurses ko, no. Baka bibisita sila this weekend. So, ready. It's ready. Ready to cook na yan. So, see you later. Ito naman, luto na yung aking lechon. May lechon ako dyan, ha. Luto na. And my cooking partner.
Hi.
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 There she is. That's what she is now. Hi, love.
Don't show my face. Don't show my face.
Alright, okay, bye. Hi guys! Ito na. Ginisa ko na siya. Yun na yung ano. Ito na yung ano natin, yung pork in black bean sauce. Yan. Hello? Yan. Tingnan natin outcome later. Join with me when I eat this food later. Okay? Right. Bye you. Hi guys. I already fried the onions and garlic and the ginger. So we're gonna have our black bean sauce, pork in black bean sauce. Now join me later when I'm eating this finished product of mine. So see you later guys. Bye. Hence, naubusan din ako ng paminta ito. Whole grains. Duduk-dukin ko naman siya. Diyos ko dahil yun o. Pinong-pinong na. Dagdagan ko pa. Okay, see you later. Bye. Pour in the black bean sauce. ako guys. Mamaya na naman yan. Ayan, mahusok yung aking buto na pinakuluan, no? Looks already perfect. Look. Like that. Husband, look at him. He's just eating salad. Hello, love. What are you doing, love?
It's not just salad, it's spinach. Spinach and rocket.
Yeah, okay.